In this video, we will walk through the process of collecting YouTube data using the SNS Data Collector and analyzing it with NetMiner 5. Click on Extension at the top of the NetMiner 5 interface, then select SNS Data Collector, YouTube Data Collector to open the YouTube Data Collector window. To collect data, you must first obtain authorization. Simply log in with your Google account to access YouTube data. Set the keyword, time range, and maximum number of results to begin collecting data. The collector will retrieve videos that contain the entered keyword in the title, description, or uploader name. Let's collect videos related to the generative AI keyword. You can also choose how to sort the results, for example, by relevance or number of views. The YouTube collector can retrieve 100 video records in under 10 seconds. Once 100 video records are collected, double-click the dataset to view information about the videos and their comments. The YouTube Data Collector provides two types of data, videos and comments. The videos data includes information such as video title, upload date, uploader, number of views, likes, comments, and the video description. In the Comments tab, you can view comment details such as creation date, author, number of likes, the title of the related video, and the comment content. Select the collected dataset and click Pre-process to process the text data. This step extracts words from the text, tags parts of speech, and calculates word frequency and TF-IDF values. To proceed, set the target data, primary language, parts of speech, and optionally load a user dictionary. Once text processing is complete, a Yes will appear under the Pre-process column. Double-click the Pre-processed dataset to add a Word tab. In this tab, you can view the extracted words, their frequency, and part of speech tags used in the collected YouTube content. Click Import into NetMiner to bring the collected data into NetMiner 5. We will now perform text analysis using the imported YouTube data. Before starting, let's import a user dictionary into NetMiner 5. The user dictionary allows you to filter out documents with unwanted words, manage stop words, and define synonyms and compound terms during pre-processing and analysis. This helps ensure more accurate and goal-aligned results. We will load the user dictionary into NetMiner 5 in tabular format. Next, we will analyze keyword statistics and TF-IDF values from the text data. Go to the text menu and select Word Statistics. Choose the dataset and one or more attributes containing unstructured text. Select the language for analysis. If you choose English, enabling case sensitive will distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters. Next, select the parts of speech to include. Decide whether to segment the text by sentence, paragraph, or document. To apply the user dictionary, click the icon on the right and configure the necessary columns. Click Run Process to begin the analysis. The report will display the total number of words and documents, along with the top 20 most frequent words in the dataset. In the words table, you can view each word's part of speech, length, frequency, document frequency, and average TF-IDF score. You can easily identify the most frequent words and those with the highest TF-IDF values. The Documents table shows the original text of each document and the index of its source item. The Words Documents Network table presents connections between words and documents in edge list format, with all link weights set to 1. In the Words Documents Network (TF-IDF) table, the edge weights represent each word's TF-IDF value within the document. Now, let's conduct topic modeling to explore what kinds of themes are present in the 100 collected YouTube videos. Before running topic modeling, we first need to determine the optimal number of topics. This can be done using topic evaluation. As in word statistics, select the dataset and the text attributes to analyze, then specify the language, parts of speech, and user dictionary. In word filtering, set conditions such as word length, frequency, and a TF-IDF threshold to exclude certain words. Under Parameter, choose a coherence calculation method, specify the range for the number of topics, and define the ranges and intervals for the alpha and ETA values. Click Run Process to identify the most suitable values for the number of topics, alpha, and ETA. We have now confirmed the values. Click Text Topic LDA, and apply the same options used in topic evaluation to the right-hand panel for LDA Topic Modeling. Set the number of topics to 3, alpha to 0.02, and ETA to 0.01, then click Run Process to begin the analysis. The topic modeling results will appear. In the report, the 5 most probable words for each topic are listed, and the number of documents belonging to each topic is displayed based on the topic with the highest probability per document. The topic info table shows the top 30 most probable keywords for each topic. The document classification table displays the major topics for each document in descending order of probability. The word distribution over topic table shows how each word is distributed across topics. The document distribution over topic table shows how each document is distributed across topics. NetMiner 5 now includes a new AI Assistant feature. This AI automatically interprets the results and provides reports. Thanks to this feature, both beginner users and expert analysts can gain deeper insights into the data without reading numerous theory books.